I am here with Dr. Wina Montepio Hernandez, and she's going to tell us what happened to you. When I met her a few weeks back, she was on wheelchair and suffering from migraine.
Multiple disc illness.
Oh my
A little more.
And she was so weak at the time when I met her. And now we're attending this session. What do you call this? Sponsored, of course, by the good doctor. So tell us about your own experience. How come that you're walking right now and you're off your wheelchair? How did it happen?
It's a miracle.
Yes.
It was a miracle. Who was the first recipient of that gift given her by our in front of everybody. Kinamot now, and I was able to stand until now. Hindi na ako kailangan sa mga wheelchair again. And then she told me this, huwag ka naman uminom ng coke. Zero naman eh. Sabi niya,
Avoid sugar.
hindi
corn syrup.
naman ginawa ng juice ang soft drinks. Hindi tubig lang.
Okay.
Nagbiro ako. Sabi ko, kung nakikinig itong right, kasi nandiyan ka sa right, parang lumulusot ko sa kaliwa eh. I mean, you know, my life is full of, I just want her to, you know, my life is full of humor.
Alright, of course. Laughter is also the best medicine.
Yeah, and because I have always have this positivism in life. Ito na mangyari.
Very
I never
positive.
give up. I won't ever.
Yes, I pray, of course, that God will lengthen your life and you are healed already.
And I'm bringing the blessings of God for
Yes,
Pastor Ron.
yes.
And sa mga kasimano ako sa Victoria. So sabi nga, ako sige, I'll plan out another one. Our Christmas celebration is coming December. This time siguro sa Coliseum naman sa Victoria. So thousands can come. Sabi ko tuloy, naging broadcaster or interviewer ka na. That's just a mirror. That's just a very well-known painter.
Yes, because I believe that important things happening in my life, in our lives, need documentation, need to be put out there.
Naslain din po siya.
Yes! What an experience! So, wow, it was beautiful.
Our group is good friends. It is a movement. When all members say, wala membership fee, just become a good friend.
Just
become a
become a
member,
good
be a
friend.
good one towards your fellow man.
Yes, yes,
Kasi
yes.
sabi ni Jesus, there are only two commandments. It's love God above all things, and then followed by love
Love
the
your neighbor.
If you love the neighbor,
As you love yourself.
you are a good friend to them dapat.
Okay.
Walang siraan, walang gossip, walang chismis,
Of course, yes.
walang mga schemes na to be enriched at the expense of your friends. Become a good friend to your husband, to your wife, to your children, to your parents, to everybody. Simple lang naman yun eh. Walang doktrina ha.
Yes,
Everybody
yes, yes.
here is, wala religion dito.
Doesn't need any religion.
Simply a
Pure
relationship.
common sense, just being a good person, faithful to God.
Simple relationship with God. Huwag na natin gawin tulad ng FB, Facebook. Relationship, complicated. Of course,
Alright.
relationship with God should never be complicated.
Not complicated at all.
Alright.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Doc Wina. My God prosper you, lengthen your life. You're an instrument of blessing. We are all instruments of blessing. So let's do our part here.
I know you're going to be a blessing to your fellow artists.
Yes, yes. God will provide. This is Joan Amar and Doc Wina here. See you in our next video.
Wow.
Bye. Bye for now. Wow, look at her. That's a miracle. That's a living miracle.